Medilink Labs and Surgicals Limited is Kenya's #1 leading providers of veterinary equipment. One of our products is the Cow Mattress, made of a high-quality rubber substance that provides a comfortable, supportive bedding surface which increases milk yields of your cows by encouraging them to lie and ruminate for longer. Cow mattresses also reduce your vet bills by increasing the grip, thus supporting cows as they get up and down, and reduces leg injuries and abrasions. This video aims to guide through the installation process of the cow mattresses into the cowshed. First, ensure the area is clean and devoid of dung, pebbles, objects and other obstacles, since the cow mattress is permanent and thus requires a flat resting ground for the comfort of the cows. Next, arrange the mattresses on the desired area and according to your spacing. Always measure the spaces before arranging the mattresses. This will guide you as to the organization of the cow mattresses, since they come in a standard size according to your mattress of choice. The organization of the mattresses will vary according to the plan shape of your cowshed. To perfectly fit the mattresses onto the desired area, some cutting will be required. Cutting is done to shape the mattresses according to the allocated area. After this, some drilling will be required along the edges of the mattresses to enable the securing of the mattresses by nailing them down firmly into the ground. The advantages of the capped stainless steel nails is that they never pop out once hammered in, and they pose no harm to the animal's hooves. A secure, well-installed cow mattress guarantees the farmer a healthy, stress-free cow, guarded against foot rot, foot injuries, and a firm, comfortable resting ground. This in turn leads to higher productivity of the cows and the farmer. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit our offices and our website for more information regarding your veterinary needs.